I am sorry, but due to technical difficulties, I could not film how you take the door guard off. Basically, you just use a number 12 millimeter normal socket to unscrew all the white bits, and then it comes off. And then we get to this position where we wanted to be. Basically, you can now see the strut, and we can now start taking it off.
So to take this off, you need our favorite E12 to take off the door strut. I'm saying my favorite because I always lose it. So just get it on there and take it off. I'm gonna do it with two hands. I really need to get head cam. So now it's unscrewed. And just dislodge it here. Here we go. Off ski. Then just push it in and take it out. Dude, it'll be hard to take it out unless you take this condom off. So let's take it off first. Don't take it off here. Push it in and then take it off. It'll be a lot easier. Here's our lovely door strut. I'm a dick. I should have taken it off with this. Oh well, I'll know next time. So to put it back, it's better to do it from the inside, because the door doesn't open up wide enough for you to put it in. It's too long. Yeah. It's probably the only time you had that problem when you can't put it in, that it's too long. So enjoy it. But anyway, yeah, so this little condom here needs to go basically through the hole there. A fat 40 hex goes here to take this bad boy off. We'll do everything properly on this show. So first thing we're gonna do, there used to be a gasket here, rubber gasket, so that there is no squeaking or anything. This has long gone, so we're just gonna put some rubber on there so that it's all nice and tight and there is no possibility of squeaking. So I made this gasket here like this, just from a normal rubber tube. I'm gonna put it there, and then that will go on top and the screw will go in. Bolt them in. First, bang this strut on. Used to. So a new door strut is installed. I've bolted it right on the bottom here, on the left. That's where I think you get the most kind of pressure, because this actually falls through this bolt. If you try even with a washer, I don't know why they did that. There was a gasket there, but it got fucked very quickly. So I didn't bother unscrewing this. I've just gave it a knock with a hammer to put it on, and that's it then. Hopefully the wife will be happy. I can already feel the difference. It's a lot tighter, baby. Anyway, let's put this inner door card back on, and now